All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day number 2 of the Madlanga Commission. Digunolali Wekungai, General Mkhwanazi yesterday took a stand in front of South African judges, and he is very confident. We have nothing to worry about. The judges asked him if he was sure. Remember, 2 months ago in July, he said all those things in front of South Africa, and some people were just calling it baseless accusations. Prior to that, prior to him taking a stand, he started by suing that fake, what's his name, that white man. He is suing that white man for defamation, because that man has called Mkhwanazi a criminal, something like that. And Mkhwanazi started by setting the ground and suing that man for 5 million rand. Right? Today is day number 2, and Mkhwanazi is expected to come to the stand again. South Africa, we have nothing to worry about. He is very safe. He can protect himself, that's number 1. Number 2, you saw how he's here. He's not even touching people's water. The water that is, we know how they are, we know how they operate. He's not touching their water, he's not touching people's hands. He's very protective of his space, of himself. He knows what is at stake. They won't touch him. And I even suspect that he is, you understand? He's very covered. He's very protected. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we have nothing to worry about altogether.